Have you ever heard of digital marketing but don't really know what it means? Today I'm going to break down 3 key things about digital marketing that will help you easily understand it. Before we break down what digital marketing is, let me ask you a question. What is the purpose of a business? In a nutshell, it is to create a customer. So how do you create a customer? It doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that marketing would be involved. Now, what is marketing? It is broadcasting your business, product, or service. Good marketing will also convert prospects to customers, which is of utmost importance. Taking this concept one step further, digital marketing is about converting online prospects to customers. In other words, digital marketing is advertising through online channels such as social media, email, search engines, websites, and so on. If you are getting value out of this, hit that like button. If you want to learn more about different types of digital marketing, click here. Marketing has taken a quantum leap over the last couple of decades and moved more and more online. This is where people are, and this is where your business needs to be. Why? Because your customers are already online searching. They just need to find you. What's your question about digital marketing? Put it in the comments below. I promise to answer each one. I may even create a video about what you asked. Imagine for a second, what would your life and business look like if you had more leads than you could handle? What would that make possible? Whether it is for you personally, your career, department, or business, digital marketing can truly change your life and world. Hit subscribe and add notifications to level up with digital marketing. We add new videos every week.